Hello everybody. We have been with the middle managers this afternoon, a session in Denbigh, and what we've been doing is we've been looking at the themes and the areas that came out of the sessions where we've been doing the information gathering, and there's actually 12 of those, and we've appointed 12 project managers to lead in each of those areas, and the details of those areas and project managers will be published on the website next week. So we've had a really good session this afternoon. It's still going on actually in the background, and there's some really good discussions going on. The next stage of this will be for project managers to get out and talk more to the staff who are directly involved in these services, because as I've said previously, we need to make sure we get this model absolutely right, and I think it's going to be a fundamental part of us working together as one council to develop effective services and better services for our citizens in Denbighshire. So it's been a really good session. More details on the website next week, and lots more engagement for folk out there as well going forward.